I think what you have to do is number one, ease off of automation, right? So the autoresponders, as you mentioned, first thing in this on this call was the autoresponders, in both of our opinions, have to go. Like
Yeah.
that cannot be the first attempt to reach somebody cannot be automated. Okay,
Yes.
we have to go back. That I think that has to be the first step. We have to go back to the human level. We have to be a manual phone call that we actually reach out to these people. It can't be an autoresponder because what's going to happen is if the phone and the phones are getting smarter. So it's not just the people complaining. The technology is getting smarter. Like right now, you can filter out. Like I can tell my iPhone right now, okay, I don't want any text messages from anybody that's not in my database or in my contacts, right? So it can filter out. You've got spam blockers. You got all these different things. The technology is getting better. So we have to revert back to what always worked, which was the one-on-one connection. So get
Yes.
rid of autoresponders. You get a lead. First thing you do is pick up the phone and call them manually.
Yes. Yeah. And so we've been saying, I've saying, and I think you agree that we haven't really, we've been telling people don't use autoresponders. And the reason why we've been saying don't use autoresponders even before this conversation is because people can detect that it's not genuine, that it's not authentic. And I always thought the first connection that you make with somebody needs to be authentic. It needs to be real. And if it's real and authentic, you're more likely to build a relationship. And if you build a relationship and then you send them a text in 5 days from today, even if it has, you can type in stop or unsubscribe or whatever, even if it has that, the chances of them opting out of receiving your text are less if you've started the relationship with a live call.